Hey guys, I just want to take a quick minute before we get into the video here and tell you who I am. I am a hairstylist. My name's Kate. I own my own salon. I've been doing hair for about 20 years. My salon is a small salon in a small town. I am self-employed and currently the only person working in the salon. I do have the opportunity to grow as I am now fully booked and barely have time to make any of these videos. But basically, I also do make a little bit of money online, so I'm still going to keep on making videos, of course. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if any of this interests you, and let me know what you want to see more of on this channel by commenting below. It really helps me. Most recently, I've had a lot of comments on hair tinsel and making money doing hair tinsel at festivals, so I'll be making some more videos on that. But yeah, let me know what you want to see. Today, what we're going to talk about is some really good hair products, and they are behind me. These are all products I have handpicked to be in my hair salon. Okay guys, before we get started here, here's the thing about my channel. I'm a mom, I own a busy business, and I also make content online. There's only so much hours in a day, so my videos are completely unscripted. So please just allow me some grace while I figure this out. If you looked at some of my older videos, a few of them are scripted. I don't like it. So I'm just gonna talk to you like you're my client and tell you about the products. So please bear with me if I jump around a little bit. I'm gonna get better and better at this, hopefully. So the first product we're gonna talk about is one of the most, actually the most popular shampoo and conditioner in my hair salon. It is the Hydrate Sheer shampoo and the Hydrate Sheer conditioner. This is a lovely product. It's a really luxury experience and adds a lot of hydration long-term into your hair. It's fine for fine hair. So that is the amazing thing about this Hydrate Sheer shampoo and conditioner. It's not gonna weigh down your hair. I do have a lot of hair personally, but it is fine strands, and I normally do not like a hydrating shampoo and conditioner for this reason. I normally go to a volume shampoo and conditioner, but I love this product. It's what I've been using in my shower now for the last month, and I do use it on and off periodically. First, let's talk about using Pureology, and then we're going to talk about why I like Pureology. Okay, so let's talk about how to use Hydrate Sheer shampoo, because if you don't use it right, you are not going to like it. You just want to use about a dime size amount for almost everyone's hair. For my hair, dime size amount is all I need. I only ever tell people to use more than a dime size when their hair is like very thick and like down here. So yeah, usually a dime size amount is more than enough. If you have like very fine hair or short hair, a pea size amount is sometimes all you need with this. It's highly concentrated, so you do need to remember that so you don't overuse it. And if you overuse it, you're not gonna like it because it's gonna feel too heavy on your hair. It's just not gonna offer the same results. It's really important before we shampoo our hair that our hair is fully saturated with water. So you wanna make sure that you get your hair fully soaking wet in the shower before you put this in your hands, and then put your dime size amount in your hands. Whoa, that one just kind of came out on me, but yeah, that's all I would use myself in the shower. And just rub it together till it looks like this. And then at this point, if my hair was soaking wet, that's when I would start rubbing it in my hair. It's a lovely shampoo. It smells so good. I love the smell of this shampoo. It's got hints of like lavender in it. Now, you've done your first shampoo. If your hair is extra oily, you've left it several days between shampoos, you're gonna wanna do a shampoo again. If your hair is extra greasy when you wash it, the first shampoo is going to remove that outer layer of like grease and oil, and the second shampoo is actually going to penetrate your hair and get in there and clean your hair. So if your hair is extra greasy or extra oily, do 2 shampoos. If you feel that your hair is not extra greasy or oily, then just do 1 shampoo and that's fine. I will personally do 2 shampoos if I've left my hair for several days between. If I've left it 2 days, sometimes I just do 1 shampoo. It depends how I feel, if I have product in my hair and all that stuff. Next, we'll talk about the Hydrate Sheer conditioner. So for this one, This is a beautiful product. Your hair is going to feel like butter when it's in your hair, and also after you rinse it out. It's amazing. So again, you only need a dime size amount of this conditioner. For this conditioner, you actually want to like not have your hair as soaking wet. So you don't have to squeeze your hair out, but you could, if you wanted to, actually like wring it out on the side. And then you're going to apply your dime size amount of the conditioner in your hands. So this is about what I use every morning. And then you just rub it in your hands so it feels like a moisturizer. And then at that point, you just want to go from the middle of your hair to the end of the middle shaft of your hair down to the ends, and just apply like that, get it all over, and then leave it. Leave it for 1 whole minute or longer, but at least 1 minute. And once it has sat for at least 1 minute, I usually leave mine for like 3 to 5 minutes. I just do something else in the shower and then come back to my hair. And then you're going to feel that your hair feels like really buttery, soft, and that you're able to just like get through tangles with your fingers just like that. So at this point, that's when I just like run it through my hair on each side, and I get through any tangles in my hair, and I start working my way up to the root with the conditioner as well. And yeah, I basically just finger comb my hair and let it sit for as long as you want, because you can't let the conditioner sit for too long. So let it sit for as long as you want while you continue on anything else in the shower. And then before you get out, just rinse it out of your hair. And your hair is going to feel like butter when you rinse it out. I promise. It's like really beautiful. It adds a lot of hydration into the hair. So now we have talked about the Hydrate Sheer and how to use the product. Now we're going to talk about why it is a luxury line. These products are 100% vegan. They are ingredients all derived from naturally sourced ingredients where possible. So you're not going to find very much ingredients in here that are not natural, or at least derived from a natural ingredient. And any extra ingredients they do have in here are honestly just because they had to make the shampoo the best quality they possibly could. So you really can have confidence in these ingredients that they're not doing you any harm, that they're safe on your hair. So it's 100% vegan, highly concentrated, sulfate-free formula. So all of Pureology's shampoos and conditioners are completely sulfate-free. The ingredients are all derived from naturally sourced ingredients where possible. So you're not going to find a whole bunch of fillers and all that stuff in here, just ingredients to give you the best possible, highest quality, safe to use shampoo and conditioner. If you have color treated hair, Pureology is my #1 choice for color treated hair. It has a patented anti-fade technology in it. Now, it's my understanding from years ago that this little symbol here is the identifier that it has the anti-fade complex in it. And all of Pureology's products do have the anti-fade complex in it. Now, what is the anti-fade complex? It is a patented technology. So it is one of a kind, owned by Pureology and only used by Pureology. And it is it's a patented technology which helps preserve your color long term. So you're going to get the most wear out of your hair color with Pureology. And that really is true in my experience, that color vibrancy lasts the longest with Pureology. And it doesn't matter which one you get from Pureology as long as you're using Pureology. Out of all of the Pureology shampoos and conditioners, Hydrate Sheer is by far the most popular. Next up, I would probably say, is the Hydrate, which is meant for more coarse, thick hair. But if you have fine hair, this is the Hydrate that you want for your hair. It is not going to weigh it down. It feels beautiful on your hair. It's going to offer the hydration your hair needs, all while keeping it lightweight. A couple of the key ingredients here in the Hydrate Sheer is jojoba, green tea, and sage. Quick recap on this, and just a chance for me to say anything I might have missed, is that this is going to offer you lightweight hydration. It's the Hydrate Sheer from Pureology. Luxury product. It's going to offer you lightweight hydration. It's going to protect your color and preserve its vibrancy. It's going to help with your scalp. There's green tea in here that helps with scalp health, and sage for stimulation. And they also have jojoba in here for moisture. It's a completely silicone-free formula, so this will not weigh down your hair at all. There is no silicone in here whatsoever. Ingredients are all naturally derived when possible by Pureology. There is a lot of good ingredients in here for your hair. And yeah, I could recommend this shampoo and conditioner to almost anyone. I mean, unless your hair is like super like fine but I mean, that's a whole other game. If your hair is like so fine you can see your scalp, there might be some other things that you want to talk about then. But if you just have like basic problems with your hair being like fine and needing hydration, this is definitely a good shampoo and conditioner for you. Even if your hair is thick but has fine hair strands, this is a good conditioner and shampoo for you. If your hair tends to get weighed down from things and you don't like that, but your hair does need hydration, this is a great shampoo and conditioner for you. Today, I think we're just gonna keep it to this one because this is the #1 key product, but subscribe to my channel and I am going to make more videos going over all of these products for you guys.